see the skyline of Goa, which has changed. If you drive from Chikalim, that is via airport to Donapal or Miramar, you see, you see the ground plus one structure, and you see skylines changed by 9 floor structures or 8 floor structures, as we call it. And you see that the entire topography could have been better planned, but this is because of haphazard planning. If you ask me, 60 days, would it be enough to put everything in place? Certainly not. I've seen planning done in areas of Para or in Arpora or in other parts of Goa, which are, small villages, but then there have been commercial spaces created next to roads, obviously with milking the cows, as you referred to it, as the PDAs have been cows which have been milked by the politicians over a period of time. It may be a very difficult task, but yes, if the intent is right, and we
it's
take
not.
it on
It's not a very difficult task.
okay.
What happened was in somewhere in the 90s, the definition of the zone was changed to mean a plot. Before 2000 or before 1995, I think, a zone meant an area defined within a certain parameter between a set of roads or a certain area. That whole thing was a zone. Somewhere down the line, the definition of the word zone was changed to mean a plot.
Yeah.
So even when we say now it is a C1 zone or a settlement zone. So zone cannot mean a plot.
Zone cannot be only a piece of land which is confined to the construction.
The first thing that the government should do is change the definition of the word zone to mean what it actually is. And then a lot of